Hi everyone and welcome back to Diamond Paintings with me, your host Mike. We've got 3 unboxings to do and this consists of the next unboxings, but I did get 3 new paintings and a little gadget here because three new things and a little gadget, and these were all funded by my dad because it was recently my birthday and I got myself an Amazon £25 voucher. Yeah man. The best present I love is vouchers. You can do what you want with them, spend it on what you like. If your family member is a bit picky and they don't really know what to get you, then that is the best thing. A lovely Amazon voucher like so. But the first thing is this painting was £5. I'm going to do the other boxings on a different day. But yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. So in here, absolutely gorgeous, £5. This was a recommendation one, so this was one that I didn't really plan on getting. You know where you add it to the basket and then it goes, here's one you might like. And I did like it and I bought it, but I'll show you what it is in a minute. But in here we've got our standard boat. See, that's what I was telling you about the other day, is that they don't always come with bags or tweezers. So this is like your standard sort of boat. We'll get to the jewels in a minute, but this, guys, is the painting. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful, eh? And this is a 30x30, so it's totally new size to me. I don't tend to work on 30x30s, but it's a nice sort of size. You've got 20 colours here. They've also done the chart this side as well for you. So many lovely colours of the rainbow. I think it's really going to pop once we get that pink on it. So that's that painting there. So I'll put that to one side and let's take a look at the jewels. So I didn't get no diamond paintings for my birthday, but the good thing is with this voucher I can get loads. And as soon as I got it, I was like, right, get on Amazon, let's get these paintings. I don't hang about with vouchers. I like to use them up straight away. But I've got some other bits and bobs, not all diamond painting related, but we've basically got all the colours of the rainbow here. As you can see, we've got lilacs, pinks, reds, oranges, yellows, loads of different colours. As you can see, orange, pinks, baby pink maybe. That's a colour I don't think I've used that colour before. That's quite nice. But yeah, loads of different colours of the rainbow here. So there's the jewels. If you do like what you see, this is on Amazon currently for a £5. Obviously Amazon's prices do fluctuate, so just be mindful that it can go up and down like a yo-yo. But when the price is right, as Bruce Forsyth would say, you've got to get it when you can. But that's going to be a really lovely summery one. It's something different, not animals. Hope you like that video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tap the bell if you want to be notified for all the videos I do. And I'll see you next time. Bye.